Hello, hello, hello. Today we'll do some laws of indices. We've got some of the rules, I call them rules. So the rules we're going to use, the standard rules that we've gone through or you might have done before. So we'll just do some examples using these three rules. You get a pen, should we go for you? So they're the three ones I'm going to be using. I'll give you some examples. Let's simplify this. 4 to the power 7 times by, 4 to the power 3, that's a 4. So using one of the rules, it's this one here, look, the times ones, which are going to add up. So to simplify this, I'm just going to go 4, and we add the 7 and the 3. 7 plus 3. That gives me 10. So simplify that is 4 to the power 10. That's what I'm going to do there, look. So 4 to the power 7 times by 4 cubed is the same as 4 to the power 10. Do another one. 7. Don't forget, they've all got to be the same base, haven't they? So 7 squared times by 7 to the power 4 times by minus 3. Don't let that scare you. So all I'm going to do is same as before. I'm going to go 7. I'm going to add up the 2 plus 4 plus the minus 3. It's one way of doing it. We could do 1 over 3, couldn't we? So 2 plus 4 is 6. Take away 3 is 3. So that's the same as 7 to the power 3. We're just adding up the powers. Don't forget there's a minus 3 there. So then, nice little examples using that one there, look. So we'll probably do the divide one now. Let me get a different color pen because it's a different color thing. Let's go orange. Let's do, tell you what, we'll make it a bit. So we'll do 2 squared times by 2 cubed all over 2 to the power 4. All the bases are the same, which means we can use the laws. So 2 squared times by 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 4. I'll sort the top one out first. I'm going to go 2. It's multiplied, so we're going to add them. So 2 plus 3, and then divided by 2 to the 4. That gives me 2 to the power 5, all over 2 to the power 4. Now it's divide by, so we can use this one here, look. So we'll just take them away. M take away N. So I'm going to go 2, 5 take away 4 gives me 2 to the power 1, which equals 2. Thank you very much. So if you work this here out on a calculator, you should get 2. So that's using two laws, really. We've done the division one and the times one. We'll use the last one now, just for a bit of fun. Different color pen. So the blue one. So we'll do, well, we'll combine a lot now. So we'll do 3 to the power 4, and we'll cube all of that. And then we'll do 3 down here. 3, 4, and we'll square that. Right, so now I've got powers outside brackets, so I'm going to use this one here now. So I'm going to multiply the indices. So I've got 3, and there's a 4 and a 3 there, so I'm going to do this 4 times by 3. That gives me a number in a bit, and then we've got 4 and 2 down here now. So I'm going to go 3, and I'm going to do 4 times by 2. So 4 times by 3 is 12. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So now I've done that one, I've sorted that one out. Now I've got divide by, so I'm going to take them away now. Just using that takeaway rule. 12 take away 8 gives me 4, which is 81. So 3 to the power 4 all cubed divided by 3 to the power 4 squared. If you put that in a calculator, it's the same as 3 to the power 4, which if you want to go a bit further is 81. Okay, just using them 3 common laws, not married to them. Right, so that's quite easy. I leave you with one. See if you want to have a go at this one. Just to have a go at this one. Say you get on 9 times by 3 squared, all cubed, divided by 3 times 27 cubed. So have a go at that one, see how you get on with this one. Okay, don't forget to use these laws up here, look. The bases have got to be the same. Okay, there's a hint for you. So have a go, let me know, see you later on.